There are organizations that have some clout, mainly because they have the participation of parents. So there are organizations related to dyslexia, for example, where the topic is getting onto the politicians' radars because it takes lobbying. And those organizations succeed because parents are seeing what's happening with their children and they are angry or they are dissatisfied and they are looking for ways to join together to affect policy. So I think that being part of your local dyslexia group, your state dyslexia group association, the parent groups that are popping up in different parts of the country, I think things change when parents who are voters really want them to change badly. And that's one engine behind change. There's some good things that happen for accidental reasons. There are some states where the governor's family has a history of dyslexia. They have a special interest in it, and they have the clout to be able to invest in it. We shouldn't have to rely on that, but that is actually a top-down way to get certain things to change. There are efforts of that sort in Mississippi where, because of an infusion of money from the state and from philanthropy, they are retraining all the teachers. They are making sure that all the teachers in the field know certain kinds of concepts that they should have learned in their preparation for becoming a teacher, but didn't. So they're teaching coaches in every school. There's people who have really good training going out to help the people who are teaching the teachers. There is a concerted effort. It takes money. It takes a lot of personnel with the right kinds of training. But at least in certain places, people recognize that they are failing with large numbers of children, that it is bad for those people, it is bad for the state, and it is bad for the country. It's still sporadic, but some successes in those places would actually probably have impact elsewhere. I hope so.